Let's take a look at this problem. For each graph of function, find domain, range, intercepts, and zeros, if any. So let's start with our domain. Your domain is your x values where your graph exists. If I come down here, if I chose like x equals -2, if I go down I find my graph, so it exists there. If I come over here to +4, if I go down I find my graph, so it exists there. Actually, you see as it goes up here, it's slowly going to the left, slowly going to the left, so it'll keep slowly going to the left, keep slowly going to the left forever, so it's going to negative infinity in terms of my x values. Now my y values, or my x values on this side, as it's going down, it's slowly going to the right, keeps slowly going to the right, keeps slowly going to the right forever, so it's going to negative infinity, positive infinity. Now our range. Our range is our y values where our graph exists. Well, if I come here to y is equal to 1, if I go left to right, I can find my graph. So I go left, I find it. If I come to y is equal to 3, if I go left, I find my graph. So it exists in both those y values. Actually, it keeps up going up here forever. So every y value, if I go to the left, I'll find the graph. So it's going to positive infinity. Now down here at -3, if I go right, I find my graph. If I go to -4 on my y-axis, if I go right, I find my graph. Actually, if I go down to -1,000,000, if I go right far enough, I'll find my graph, because this keeps going down forever. So that's going to negative infinity. So our range will be negative infinity to positive infinity. Now our x-intercepts, or where it touches or crosses the x-axis, now these are kind of small, you probably can't see them, but that says -3, 0. So it crosses at -3, 0. This one says 1, 0, so it crosses there. And this one says 3, 0, so it crosses there. Now our y-intercept, that's where it touches or crosses the y-axis, which is 0, -1, this point right here. Now zeros. Our zeros is where it crosses or touches the x-axis, which corresponds to your x-intercepts. So we're going to have x is equal to -3, 1, and 3. And those are all of our answers.